What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to start high ticket affiliate marketing so you can consistently earn $1,000 or more per commission online. I was actually able to make a $1,000 commission yesterday at the time of recording. So you're going to be learning from someone actually getting results. Now be sure you stick with me through this entire video because I'm literally going to share with you every step you need to know to get traffic, leads, and sales for free. Even if you're brand new, you have no tech skills, or you have a zero following online. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know, and let me hop on my computer and dive in right now. Okay, so like I said, inside this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to start high ticket affiliate marketing successfully. But before I dive into all the nuts and bolts, I first want to break down how high ticket affiliate marketing actually works, okay? Because it's slightly different than regular affiliate marketing. You can see this diagram on the screen, and I'm going to break this down very simply, step by step. So the first step before we do anything is we need to actually find a good selling high ticket product to promote, okay, as an affiliate. Now, I'm going to share with you in just a little bit in this video 3 different places you can go to find high ticket products to promote no matter what niche you're actually in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, if you're in the dating niche, if you're in the make money online niche, you're going to be able to see how to get those products so you can start to make these higher payouts. Now, once you find the product though, a big mistake people make when they do affiliate marketing in general is they try to get traffic, okay, which is just basically people or visitors, let's say from Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. They try to get those people and they send them directly to their affiliate link, which is usually a sales page. Now, this is not what you want to do, okay? Now, you may say, why, Garrett? Why don't I want to send people right to the sales page? The reason is only about 1 to 2%, okay, of people are going to buy right away, okay? So this is what's called an impulse buy. Only about 1 or 2 people out of 100 people that you send right to a sales page is going to actually buy right away. 98% of them are going to go away from the page and never buy from you. So you're leaving massive money on the table. So what do we do instead? Well, what we want to do is actually use something called a funnel, okay? Now this right here, this entire thing is a funnel. A funnel basically consists of a capture page, okay, which is basically a web page online that has a headline and then has a box to collect that prospect's email address. Okay, it also consists of a way to collect their email and build an email list with follow-up emails, okay, emails that will send messages to their email address, okay, usually 1 a day for at least 7 days. And then it consists of a sales page, okay, this right here. And that is the affiliate link, okay? That's the page that usually has a video or a sales letter and a buy button, okay? This is a funnel. Now, a lot of people don't know how to create a funnel, okay? It can take a lot of work. It can take a lot of, knowing how to sell, knowing how to craft compelling headlines, knowing how to write these follow-up emails, etc. Now, in just a second, as you keep watching, I'm actually going to share with you how to access a done-for-you funnel, okay, that you can actually swipe and deploy so you don't have to even create that, okay? So I'm going to share that in just a second, but that's what you want to understand. So we want to actually get traffic, okay, no matter what niche, what affiliate program you do, what product you promote, you always want to be getting traffic, and we want to send it to something called a funnel, okay? And then once we do that, and we actually are promoting higher priced products, now we can get these higher payouts, okay? $500, $1,000, even $5,000 or more per commission, okay? So now once you understand the process, now what you need to understand is how to actually find high ticket products to promote. And I want to share with you 3 different ways, okay? The first way is clickbank.com, okay? You can actually go to clickbank.com, you create a free account, okay, by clicking start here, and you can just go through the simple sign up process. It's actually totally free to join ClickBank. And once you're inside, they have different niches and categories of products you can promote, okay? So like I said, if you're in the dating niche or the weight loss, muscle building, you can find products on ClickBank. Now, maybe you're in a more obscure niche, or you just want to find more affiliate programs that are high ticket. You can actually go to Google and you can type in the niche name, okay, so in this case, weight loss, followed by high ticket affiliate programs. And if you search that into Google, you're going to be able to see, okay, blog articles of, people that have cultivated the list of high ticket programs in that specific niche. Okay, so you can see this article right here. It says 12 offers you need to promote in the weight loss niche. If we go to this page, okay, you can see that they have all these different affiliate programs, Health Trader, and then these are independent affiliate programs. So usually you would go to their website, okay, like markethealth.com, for example, okay, or they have the link, and you would go there and you could actually sign up, okay, as an affiliate, and you could start promoting that product. Now, the last place I recommend you go to find a high ticket affiliate program to promote is at the first link below. Not only can you find my #1 recommended affiliate program to start receiving these high ticket commissions, you're also going to discover how to access a completely done for you funnel. And it's actually the exact funnel I'm currently using to generate these big commissions on a daily basis. But now that we've done that, okay, now that we've actually gotten the higher payout product, we've figured out how to get a funnel in place, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to get traffic. Now there's a lot of places to get traffic, okay? Like I said, these are just a few: Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube. I'm going to cover 2 incredibly simple free traffic methods in this video, but you can also do paid traffic, okay? Almost every social media platform you can actually pay to run ads, okay? You can run ads on YouTube, you can run ads on Facebook, okay? But I'm going to share with you some free methods, so if you don't have a lot of extra money, you can go ahead and get started today, okay? The first place is Facebook. Now, a lot of people don't realize that you can get massive traffic just from a simple Facebook profile. Now, if you don't want maybe to promote and your friends and family see it, you can either separate it or you can create a new Facebook profile. It's really simple. The main key with Facebook is you want to really create a professional looking profile. Okay, you want to have a good cover photo. You want to have a good profile photo, preferably of yourself smiling or looking, professional, looking successful. And then what you want to do is you want to actually put a good intro. Okay, now this intro, you want to have it describe a little bit about what niche you're in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you can put like weight loss coach. You could put, learn how to lose weight fast. Okay, just something eye-catching. Now I'm in the make money online niche, so I put, make up to 5K per commission without doing any sales yourself. Okay, that's what I'm promoting right now. So that's what I put in there. And then I say link in bio. Now you can actually include some links in your bio on your Facebook profile. So I recommend you put the link to your capture page. Remember, it's this page here, not the direct sales page, but your capture page. You put that in there. And then the next step is, once we have our profile set up, we want to actually start adding friends. Okay, now you don't just want to add a ton of friends. You want to add the right people, because this is going to be building our profile full of targeted, qualified friends that are hopefully interested in the product we're promoting, so we can get tons of commissions. Okay, so what you can do is go to the top and you want to type in a few words that have to do with the niche. So let's say I'm in the weight loss niche. I can type in weight loss, I can search that, and then I can filter by groups. And what I want to do is I want to join a few of these groups that have a good amount of members. Okay, this has 66,000 members, so that could be a good group to join. And let's say I join that group. Now what we want to do is we want to actually go to people. Okay, the tab, it may say members or people. This is going to share all the different members that are a part of this group. Now, what do we know for sure? Well, we know that if someone is in a member of a specific niched group, chances are they're interested in that topic. So if we're promoting a product that has to do with weight loss and we're adding people that are interested in weight loss, okay, then when we start promoting on our profile, a good portion of those are going to be interested, and then a portion of those people are going to actually buy. Okay, so what you can do daily is you can go in here and you can actually add these people. Okay, now you don't want to add too many people. You can add about, I would say maybe 20 at a time. Okay, do 20 and then maybe 20 at night. Okay, if you did some in the morning. You don't want to do it overboard, okay, because Facebook may put a temporary block on your account. So just go slow. I mean, you can start with just 20. Add these people. Now, what's going to happen is they're going to get a notification that you added them, and then they will see your profile, and if it's set up properly, then they will actually decide to follow you back, okay? Now, once they decide to follow you back, what you can now do is you can start posting on your profile, okay? Now, there's two main types of posts I recommend you do when you want to make these high-ticket commissions. Number one are engagement type posts, okay? Now, engagement type posts are basically posts that are designed to get people to like, comment, even share your post. Now, how do you do the engagement posts? Well, you can literally just look up quotes, okay? Or you can post, just something like this, okay? Shout out to all entrepreneurs going after their goals. You guys rock, okay? Now, I'm in the entrepreneur make money niche, so that made sense. If you're in the weight loss niche, you could say, shout out to all the people working to lose weight. You guys rock, okay? You can just model, and then you can take a picture of yourself. And you can see that this got 76 likes, 14 comments. Now, this isn't selling anything. This is just building our engagement, because if you just post sales pitches on your profile, no one's going to like your post, and Facebook's going to limit your reach. But if we do this, I'll try to share another one. Okay, here's another one. People who say it can't be done shouldn't interrupt those who are doing it. Now, you can go to Google Images and just type in, weight loss quotes or entrepreneur quotes, and you can find quotes, and you can just put that with a nice photo. This got 138 likes, okay, and 39 comments, okay? Now, this, again, is building my engagement. So now, once we build our engagement, now we want to do posts like this, okay? These are what's called call to action posts, or, you can even say pitching posts. Now it's directly, pitching. Now, I'm still not mentioning the product I'm promoting. You want to build curiosity, okay? So this says right here, go from 0 to 10K in 30 days with no email list, no ads, and 0 selling. Who wants to see a free training revealing how it's done, okay? So what you're doing with this post is you're kind of taking the product you're promoting, you're leaving out information, you're talking about the benefit, okay? So the product I was promoting at this time taught people how to go from 0 to 10K in 30 days with, no email list, etc. So I said that, and then I gave a call to action. I basically told them, hey, who wants to see this, right? And that's getting people to comment. Now, once people comment, okay, you can see 75 different comments. Once they comment, what you can do, okay, info, yes, please, please, you can just message them and say, hey, I saw you, you were interested in finding out more information. Check this out. And then you always want to send them to your capture page. And then what's going to happen is a good portion of these people are going to put their email in, and now you're following up through automated emails, and they will go back to the sales page. A portion are going to buy, and you can literally wake up to these high ticket commissions, okay? Now, if you're liking this video because you're realizing I literally just taught how to get massive amount of free leads without even spending a dime, be sure to smash the like button and comment, yes, this is valuable below, so I know to make more. The last free method I'm going to share with you in this video, because I have tons of free traffic training on my channel, you can go back through my other videos, is TikTok. Now, TikTok has a massive opportunity right now. The algorithm is still incredible for new accounts. You can literally join and just start posting videos, and some of them are going to go viral. You can see I literally just joined TikTok a few weeks ago at the time of recording, and I've already built, close to 15,000 followers. And you can see that a few days ago, okay, this video right here, okay, went viral. Let me see if I can find it right here, okay? 692,000 views, okay? And it's an incredibly simple, like 10-second video, and that went viral. And then what you want to do with TikTok is you still want to have your link in your bio. Now, TikTok limits you, I believe at the time of recording, it's 1,000 followers. So until you get 1,000 followers, you can't put a link in your bio. So what you can do is you can actually tell people on the actual video, okay, so if I go here, you can actually write text here, the website, okay, so you can actually put your website on the actual text and tell people to go there. But the structure with TikTok is typically hook, story, offer, okay? So in the beginning of the video, you want to do a hook, Okay, this is something that's going to be targeted towards your niche. So it's something that's basically identifying all the people that are scrolling. It's attracting people that are potentially interested in your niche. So if it's, again, weight loss, you could say something like, do you want to learn how to lose 5 pounds a month? Okay, that's a hook. That's basically putting out a fishing hook and attracting the people that are interested. Okay, so you want to ask typically a question that's going to attract the type of people you want to buy from you. Okay, so like, for example, I say, this one, how would an extra 3K per month change your life? Okay, that's a hook because everyone that wants to make money is going to see that and be like, yes, right? I'm attracting those people. The next step with TikTok is a story. You typically want to tell a quick story. Okay, so you could, with weight loss, you could say, do you want to learn how to lose 5 pounds or more per month? And then you could tell a quick story. You could say, I used to struggle losing weight. If that's true, I used to struggle losing weight until I discovered a simple method that allowed me to lose weight without, sacrificing meals that I love, for example. Maybe that's what the product you're promoting teaches people how to do. And then at the end, you give an offer. You offer them to go to your link, okay? Hook, story, offer. That's really the structure for all of these, okay? The hook, again, within the first 5 seconds, hey, I'm gonna share with you how to do this. That's gonna hook them. Story, tell a little story. Hey, before I learned this, I used to struggle. Now that I learned this, I'm able to do X, Y, Z. And then the offer. At the end of the TikTok, you want to give a call to action and tell people, hey, go to this link in my bio for more information. Hey, go to this link. Okay, you could have the link on your video if you can't actually link to the bio yet. And you just want to do consistent videos every week. Post them. Okay, you can record these with your smartphone. You don't have to get fancy. But TikTok's an incredible way to get free traffic. Okay, you can see a lot of these videos. And another thing I will share with TikTok, a lot of people think like, oh, I'm only getting, like this video, okay? This only got 500 views. It doesn't really matter because these 500 views are incredibly targeted. So you don't need thousands of views to make a good amount of money. And if you're doing high ticket affiliate marketing, one sale can make you $1,000, okay? So focus more on quality of views rather than quantity, and you can get a massive amount of sales. Now, like I said, my friend, before I get going, I obviously can't share everything when it comes to high ticket affiliate marketing in this one video. If you want to discover how to get your hands on incredible high ticket affiliate marketing training, as well as a program that has done for you funnels, follow-up emails, all that done for you, be sure to click the first link below and check out that free video right now. Also, be sure to smash the like button if you got value in this video. This will tell me to make more videos just like this. Also, subscribe with the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next training.